Hi, in today's video, we are going to be exploring the different asset management commands inside of the Pieces for Neovim plugin. So let's get started. So the first command that we'll run is the Pieces Snippet command. So this will display the list of all of the saved snippets inside of your system, and these will be displayed on the left hand side. Now, corresponding to the currently highlighted snippet, you will see the preview of that particular snippet on the right hand side. And in order to navigate between the different snippets, you can just use the up and down arrow keys inside of your keyboard. As you do that, you'll also see a small description for each of the particular snippet. Now, let's say you want to actually go ahead and make a change in one of these particular snippets. It's very easy to do that. Just navigate to the particular snippet that you want to make a change in and press enter. So let's say if I want to make change in this third snippet, I'll just press enter, and this takes you to the editor mode. In order to actually make the change, you have to press I, which is the insert mode, and then I can go ahead and actually make a change. So let's say I can change the statement to 21st century year. Now, if you want to actually go ahead and save this particular file, just press escape and colon W in order to save the file. And then you can press escape colon Q in order to exit out of Neovim. Now I'll go and use the command nvim to go back into Neovim. And in order to just confirm whether my snippet was actually changed, I'll go and use the piece snippet command again. And you can see that now in the third snippet, I do have the 21st century year marked. Now, in order to actually go ahead and delete one of these snippets, it's very easy. Just highlight the particular snippet that you want to delete and use the delete button and press the button on your keyboard, and it will ask you whether you want to actually go ahead and delete it or not. So I'll just press Y in order to successfully delete that particular snippet. So this way you can go ahead and delete and edit your current list of snippets. Also, if you want to search, if you have a very large set of snippets and you want to search based on the title, then we have a search bar over here, and over here I can search for specific snippets based on their title. So let's say if I want to just search for React snippets, so you can see the list of all of the React based snippets that I have right now. And of course you can go ahead and edit and delete them as you like. Now, of course, if you want to create a new snippet, we have the Pieces create snippet command. For this, I will create a new instance of Neovim and open up a file with it. This is a teammate Python file, and let's run this particular command. So it will open up my Python file. Now let's say if I want to actually go ahead and create a new snippet and save a part of this particular code. Let's say just the code that I have highlighted. So in order to actually go ahead and do that, you have to first press V to go into the visual mode. Then just highlight the part of the code that you want to save as a snippet, and just press colon and press pieces create snippet command, and this will go ahead and actually save this particular snippet inside of pieces. And now in order to double check, I can just use the pieces snippets command again, and you see that the first particular snippet that has been saved is the latest snippet that we just right now saved. So this way you can go ahead and create new snippets by just highlighting the particular part of the code that you want to save as snippet and use the command. And of course, if you want to go ahead and edit or delete, you can just press enter, and this way you can go into the edit mode. And for delete, you can just press the delete button in order to delete a particular snippet. So this way you can create, delete, and make changes to your snippets with the help of the Neovim plugin.